welcome back to my channel. So in case you guys missed the very last video, I'll go ahead and post a link to that down in my description box below to show you how exactly I laid my wig and just kind of give you all the details about it. If you guys do not know already, I am doing a giveaway which is going to end on May the 4th. So if you guys have not already entered, make sure you enter. So there's two giveaways going on. There's the hidden giveaways that happen on every single video in my comment section down below. All you have to do is comment the sunflower emoji. If you haven't heard, Sunflower Gang, stand up. And basically the second giveaway is going to be on YOLISSA hair. So this is something that was completely sponsored by me. I did go ahead and purchase 4 bundles, so you're going to get a 20, a 20, 22 and a 24 if I'm not mistaken. I'll definitely leave that down in the description box below as well. The giveaway rules are you only have to be subscribed to my channel, make sure that you are following me on Instagram, and also just repost the picture that I'm going to post on Instagram as well, pretty much just stating the details about the giveaway. Tag me in that video, and if you feel the need to comment, I can't talk. And if you feel the need to comment, Sunflower Gang, definitely do so. Let's get this started. But anyway, let's jump right into this video. I'm basically going to be showing you a really quick styling of the unit. Of course, this is the YOLISSA hair. Exactly as I stated before, this is a full frontal wig. So I made this on a dome cap. It is a 13 by 6 frontal. So of course, the parting goes all the way back here, babe. So this is like my absolute favorite. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I showed you how to lay it down, so click the link in the description box below if you guys have not already seen that video, or just go through my videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, so far I am definitely loving this hair. It is Brazilian straight. I got the lengths 20, 20, 22, and a 22 and an 18-inch 13 by 6 frontal. So the hair is extremely freaking soft, like extremely soft. I've been using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse so far on it, and it still feels really soft. The hair is not weighed down or anything like that, which is why I love that product, and I'm starting to love this hair. So it's really full, really thick. I'm deciding that I'm probably just going to go ahead and do a really sleek look on this. I wanted to do some big curls, but I just don't even feel like you know, really layering this hair up. I don't want to cut into it and really do anything crazy, so I'm definitely just going to go ahead and straighten this out. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just going to start off by sectioning the hair into 2 parts, and I'm just going to go ahead and secure this with a clip just like this, and then I'm going to start working on this side. Now I've done this in like another video, but I just really want to show you guys, I don't know, my straightening technique is pretty good if you ask me, for how to get hair extremely like silky straight. So especially your weaves, because sometimes you can start to straighten it and it'll have like all those sporadic pieces that are very much so like annoying. When I say annoying, like annoying AF. Oh wait, when you say F-fuck, it's supposed to be AF and I said A-fuck. Like what? Okay, anyway, disregard. So I have my Holy Grail spray. This is the Kenra Thermal Spray. So it's a number 19. They have a bunch of different ones. So depending on which one you get, the level of firmness, the level of, I guess, product buildup, just like, it's kind of like a spritz for a flat iron. So this one is my favorite, number 19, Thermal Styling Spray. I love this so much. I would even use this on my natural hair, but unfortunately, because the product is a little wet, it may cause your hair to revert a little bit. So you kind of don't want to do that. It does dry like really quick, so I've used it on my natural hair before. I just much rather it on my weaves. So I'm just like throwing it in, I'm spraying that in, and I'm just gonna brush it through. And literally as I sprayed that, it was wet, it dried almost instantly. So like I said, it's more like a spritz for your hair. Alright, so as you guys know, I always use my FHI flat iron just to kind of go through all of my weaves, because it cuts through a lot of the bulk of the hair really fast, and that's my mission. So stop and stare for a second. Do y'all see that? I I literally only did one pass, and did y'all see how much hair I had in that? This looks beautiful. This is so pretty. Yeah, and it's so thick, y'all. Whoever wins this giveaway is gonna be so grateful, y'all. This is probably, like, I always compare the wigs that I make because I get so many and I make so many, so it's kind of hard to say. But like my very recent like the first time I ever made a frontal wig, that was my ultimate best frontal ever. I was so sad when I sold that wig. And then this one is probably the replacement. Like, I'm not selling this wig. This is perfect. This is everything I've ever wanted it to be. Like, y'all don't understand. I get so much hair, and some wigs are cool, some are awesome, but y'all, this, we here. So y'all see how sleek this is, and the hair is so freaking, like, it's heavy. Like, even the, because majority of the hair is actually, like I said, it's a wig. So 13 by 6 frontal goes from here all the way to here. So that just shows you that this is extremely thick, and the bundles are all in the back. So this is like perfect. Not too much in the front, but enough in the back. So 13 by 6 frontals is going to be the way that I will go from now on. This is, yeah, this hair is nice. Really, really pretty. And not too many flyaways. So I do have some up here, but y'all will see what I do with that later. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. This hair is so pretty. So taking some of my argan oil, y'all. I'm at the last of the last. Y'all can see that. Anyway, taking some of this, spraying on my hands, as I always do. And just smoothing that over the top, just to kind of lay this as flat as possible. And then taking a little bit of my mousse here, and then I'm gonna mix it again with some spray. I should have did that first, actually. And just lightly go over the top, just to get rid of the flyaways. And there we go. Complete, sleek, effortless, beautiful. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm using my FHI 2-inch flat iron. I use this on every single weave video, even my natural hair. It just gets through or cuts through like a bulk of hair in a little bit of time. So this is what this looks like, y'all. This is really pretty. So again, thank you so much, YOLISSA, for sending me this hair. If you guys are looking for a quick update, this is really my initial video. So I literally showed you how to install it, how to do a quick little styling, or how to, you know, silk press it out. So I can't really give too much of an opinion on it right now, outside of saying the luster is amazing, the density is amazing. Right now, I don't have any hair on my floor. Like outside of, like I cut off a little piece right here. So of course that did shed a little bit, but I don't have any like shedding at all on my floor. So this is amazing. Right now it's not shedding, tangling. Obviously it shouldn't be tangling, it's straight hair, so that will be a problem. But yeah, it is so thick, like you cannot see through this. This is cute. So this is so thick, so cute. I love this. Alright guys, let me get back in my chair, right? Alright, so don't forget about the giveaway. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you check out the description box because it's going to give you all the information about the giveaway, the rules, and don't forget about the second giveaway, which is the Hitting Sunflower Gang giveaway. Comment sunflower emoji down below and you will be lit, okay? Anyway, love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Bye.